All right, so getting ready to adjust the chain on this Husqvarna Farm Tough chainsaw. So what you need is a 13. Loosen up these two. Already got them loosened up. You need a flathead to adjust right here, which in turn when you twist right here, and it turns move this up and down, which also tightens and tightens your chain up. So right now, have it at about right there. Let me tighten it up some. See if you can see it move. Okay, yeah. Yes. Get a little bit more. All right. So then, tighten everything back down. Back to it. Oh yeah, and be careful how hard you torque this because you can bend that threaded area. But your local hardware department should have a replacement. That's where I got this from. If they carry the Husky or the Echo brand stuff, you'll be good.